Hi everyone, this is Eric here with the John Miller Real Estate Team at Keller Williams Realty in Westboro. Here to talk to you today about the latest news that everyone's been hearing about. The S&P has downgraded U.S. debt from a AAA rating to a AA+. And I want to get into a little bit what that means for the real estate market. So, in general, when the stock market goes down, which it just did because of the downgrade, created a lot of unrest in the market, uncertainty. So basically the market, it took a little bit of a crash there. Now generally when that happens, when the stock market goes down, okay, mortgage rates will also go down, okay? And the reason for this is when people are unlikely to invest in the stock market, because it's volatile, they're more likely to put their money in safe places. One of the safe places that people put their money is a 10-year Treasury note. And what a 10-year Treasury note is, it's a guaranteed rate of return. So the rates aren't as high as they could potentially be in the stock market, but you're guaranteed to get a return on your money. Now, as the demand for a 10-year Treasury note goes up, they can charge a lower rate of return because the people will still buy it at that lower rate of return because it's in higher demand. So when that 10-year Treasury note goes down, in general, so do the mortgage rates. What that meant is that mortgage rates have literally hit an all-time low. So you need to speak with your local mortgage rep if you are looking to do any type of financing at this time, and it's definitely a good time to do that, okay? So that's what it means for the local real estate market and how it affects rates, okay? The next thing I'm going to talk about, and this kind of ties into rates, is the affordability index. Now the affordability index, that is a calculation that is done, that is determined by the median home price in the U.S., the average income of a U.S. family in the U.S., and the average mortgage rates in the U.S. Now, so this will basically give you a very clear idea of what percentage of the average income of a home is needed to buy an average priced home. This is showing us that homes have not been as affordable as they are today since 1970. That was already the case before rates dropped. It's even better now. So if you're thinking about buying a home, if you've been on the fence, I mean, I feel very confident that this is the time. My wife and I just bought our place about 3-4 months ago now. I felt that this is the best time to buy, that we've got to be somewhere near the bottom of the market, okay? And just keep in mind, the other thing that I like to bring up is you hear a lot of national news. You're watching Channel 5, Channel 7, whatever it might be, and the national data is so much different than the local market. I did a quick study of the most recent 12 months in comparison to 12 to 24 months ago, so 2 years back. The median home, or the average home sale price in the Middlesex and Worcester County, it has gone up a little bit. It's been all pretty much flat for the past 3 years, okay? Home sales in the most recent year are down. There's a little bit more of an inventory, but the prices for the most part have flattened out quite a bit. But even on that, that's still the counties we're talking about. Each individual town has its own story. You need to speak with a local real estate agent to get you those reports and studies on your local market to understand it, because there are some markets still going up in this market. In these counties, there's some markets that are going up, others are going down still, some have flatlined. But do speak with your local rep, mortgage rep, or real estate agent, and they're going to fill you in on what's going on in your local market. So this is Eric here. Hope this information helped and brought you up to speed as to what's going on. If you have any questions, or if you know of anybody looking to sell, invest, or buy in this market, we have a great team set up. We've sold 39 homes in the past 12 months. The average agent has sold 5. And one other thing I can say is that we're selling close to 90% of our listings, where the average agent is selling less than half. We're giving good, honest advice. Give us a call. Or if you're not in our area here in Westboro, our company is nationwide. If you're looking to buy in Arizona, you're looking to sell up in New Hampshire, whatever it might be, give us a call. We can point you in the right direction. And that's about it. Have a great day.